Wait a minute. Alright guys, we're out here at the lake. It's a day and a half later from when we set the trot lines out. It's currently Sunday at 8:30, and we're out here with Crazy KB. We're gonna do, after we run our trot lines, we're gonna do some fishing out here. Crankbait. We're gonna be throwing some crankbaits, and so we're gonna get set up and get our life jackets on and get in the water, and then we'll see you out there on the water at the first trot line. Alright guys, if this video doesn't turn out right, if you can't see the light when it gets darker, I just won't put it up, but we're gonna go ahead and film it like it's gonna work. So we're gonna go over here and check this first trot line. I need to tilt my light down when I get over here. We'll see you at the first trot line. Alright, we're at the first trot line here. We're gonna grab it and pull it and see what we got. I'm assuming we probably don't have anything like normal, but we're gonna see here. I don't think it's anything. I don't think nothing, guys. Dang, nothing. Well, that's just the first one. We've got a couple more. Alright guys, we're up here at the second one. Either that's the wind moving or there's something on it, I don't know. But we're gonna see. I don't believe anything. Wait a minute. I don't know. I think it's just the wind moving the rock. Nothing. Alright guys, we didn't have anything on trot line, so now we're going to do some fishing.